You too, Rata 5.
Today's I'll tell you a story of my people, Nikau, and a story of my place, our place, Te Waipounamu, and a story of my taonga, Pounamu. Once there was a beautiful woman, her name was Waitaiki. She lived way up north near Mia Island. She liked bathing in the water at night time. She thought it was relaxing. One day, a scary taniwha come along. And he thought she was beautiful, so he snatched her away and fled south. Tamahua, Waitaiki's husband, was a powerful chief. And when he found out she was gone, he threw a magical dart into the air. And that dart pointed into the direction of his wife. He chased after them in his rocker. Meanwhile, Poutini had reached the shore. He lit a fire for Waitaiki to keep her warm. The chase continued across all of Aotearoa. Finally, Poutini had reached Milford Sound, and Waitaiki was upset. So we had to go back up to the west coast where they stopped at the Honolulu River. And Tamahua was close behind. He'd found the tears of Waitaiki preserved in the stone, such as tangiwai or paonai. He'd stopped to rest so he could get ready for the final showdown. Poutini, though, he was scared. He was scared he was going to lose Waitaiki. So he thought, if I can't have her, no one can. And he transformed her into Pounamu. And laid her in the water and snuck away into the night. In the morning, Tamahua woke up to find his beautiful wife preserved in the stone, cold and lifeless. He returned home a grieving man. And this is the legend of Poutini. Waitaiki is known as the mother of Pounamu, and all the Pounamu that we find in our beaches are said to be the tears of Waitaiki.